Are you thinking of breakfast ideas? Come join me, and I'll share this recipe. I'm sure your family will love it. In our previous video, we made homemade tortillas. I'll put the link in the description on how to make homemade flour tortillas. We'll use cheese, just cut it like this. You can use any brand of cheese you like. Set aside. We'll be using the remaining sausage, but you can also add ham, pepperoni, or any toppings you prefer. I'll be adding pizza sauce, or you can also use ketchup. Then I'll add the sausage that we've cut. Add pizza cheese or any cheese that melts quickly. In a non-stick pan, we need to preheat it before placing what we've prepared. Add 1 egg seasoned with salt and pepper. This is how it looks when the eggs are cooked. Ready to serve. I hope you enjoyed our recipe for today.